Solon is one of the leading providers of high-quality solar system solutions. Worldwide, we produce up to 6,000 solar modules per day in our ultra-modern production facilities. Almost everyone has seen solar modules on a house or building rooftop. But how exactly is a solar module constructed? The main components of the modules are wafer-thin solar cells. These cells are examined for damage by an automatic camera before processing. A computer program detects faulty cells and rejects them. All cells that have passed Solon's rigorous testing are joined to form a series, which is known as a string. The finished solar module is later protected against dust and the elements such as hail by a special glass plate. Each glass plate is individually washed and covered with an encapsulating film. These are the workstations where the module is assembled. The module is then placed into a laminating oven. This is where the plastic films are fused with the other components. The module cells are now completely encapsulated and safely protected against rain, hail, ice and snow. We still need to attach the aluminum frame. The individual parts are pre-assembled here. The first robot takes the aluminum frame profiles from the storage shelf. The second robot places the unframed module onto the framing table. Sealing tapes are pasted all around the edges of the module here. Once the module is in the right place, the frame is assembled. The third robot fixes the solar module frame using a crimping process. To complete the module, a performance test is conducted in a sun simulator known as the flasher. Inside the dark space of the flasher, a carefully calculated amount of light is generated. This is to test how much power is generated by each Solon module. The production process is now complete, and the module is ready for use in a solar power plant, either on a rooftop or in any open space.
Built by the Solon Energy GmbH since the summer of 2012, this has been the home to the largest solar power station on Berlin's rooftops, covering an area the size of almost 6 football fields. Investor and operator is the Berlin Energy Agency. In just a few weeks, Solon installed over 5,500 solar modules, made in Germany on a total of 4 separate hall roofs. Specialists have spot-glued trough-shaped substructures to the roof membrane on the plastic rooftops. This is followed by the click-in installation of the modules. This uncomplicated plug-and-play system enables installation without penetrating the roof surface. Powerful frameless modules are installed on rails attached to the standing seam roofs, using a special adhesive technology, also without damaging the roof. And on the trapezoidal roofs, the system is installed by attaching fiberglass reinforced plastic rails directly to the roof and then gluing the frameless modules to them. Together, 3 different photovoltaic systems are used on the different roof segments of the central market, which are particularly light and non-damaging to the roof. With an investment volume of almost 2.3 million to install the entire system, the Berlin Energy Agency intends it as a model project for Berlin as a location for solar energy. The contract for the roof system runs for 20 years, a long time to optimally use the potential of solar energy. In the coming years, I definitely expect energy prices to increase significantly, which the past several years have already shown. This is why it can make sense over the coming 5 to 7 years or so to use the solar energy that is produced here ourselves, thereby creating an operating cost advantage for our tenants at this location. In August 2012, the solar power station, Berlin's central market, was connected to the grid as the 5,000th electricity generating system in Berlin. For the Berlin Senate, it is part of an overall strategy with the goal of creating a climate-neutral city. It's the largest system that we've been able to open in Berlin, and the scale is impressive. We can supply around 700 households with it, and it brings us a big step closer, but it is also an especially important step towards utilizing roofs. We've almost another 200,000 roofs in the city that we could use for solar energy systems, and to see it at this scale how this can work is naturally impressive and hopefully also an example for other companies.